everyone, welcome back to the Bata Shoe Museum YouTube channel. My name is Adrian, and today we're going to get creative and make a bookmark. But not just any bookmark, we are going to take inspiration from the book Shoe La La, which you can listen on our Storytime series, which is also on our YouTube channel, which will be linked below. So I'll list the materials on the screen and in the description box below. And let's get started. So there you have it. We just made an adorable bookmark made out of construction paper. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for our next video.